So good morning students. In previous class I explained all these things. Okay, decoders. So these are the decoders. Actually decoders I'll start in previous class. I explained I think 2 classes I already completed decoders. So what is decoder? Brief introduction about decoder. And the same way a 2 to 4 line decoder I explained logic diagram, truth table and logic symbol. After then I explained 3 to 8 decoder. Okay, in 3 to 8 line decoder we are using 3 inputs and 8 outputs. Okay, so I block diagram and also truth table and logic circuits I drawn. Okay, after then expanding decoder I will start. In expanding decoder I explain all these things. Okay, so today's class I starts with BCD to 7 segment display decoder. Okay, next page. Today is BCD to 7 segment 7 big segment display decoder. BC to 7 segment display decoder. Okay, so today's topic is BCD to 7 segment display decoder. Okay, so actually what is a BCD? Okay, BCD to 7 segments. So it is a actually BCD to 7 segment is used for LED display. Okay, so in your railway stations and bus stands, okay, you have already seen digital LED displays. In that displays they are mentioned time and the train times, okay, platforms by using only LED lights. Okay, so in the construction of LED displays, LED board displays and watches, okay, digital displays, so those type of displays are constructed by using BCD to 7 segment decoder. Okay, so display to decoder only. So it is actually, I'll write some key points about BCD to 7 segment display decoder. Okay, so 7 segment displays are used to give a visual identification of the output state of digital ICs. Okay, so the first one, key points. 7 segment display are used to give a visual identification of the output state of digital ICs such as counters, comma, registers, etc. Okay, so these are actually the 7 segment display are used to give the visual identification. So visual identification means it is observing visual identification of output state of digital ICs such as counters, register. Counters and registers are the instruments actually here. These instruments are also designed by using BCD 7 segment display. So this is actually display, LED display. So this is nothing but LED display only. Okay, these LED displays are right now designed by using the BCD to 7 segment notation. Okay, so generally 7 segment displays are used to give the visual identification of output states of digital ICs. This is also IC actually, digital IC. So because in your digital watch, if you see the digital watch, there is a numbers. Okay, that number will be appeared like this. This is a 3, I think. Okay, so 2, right? So example, this type of numbers are there. This is called digital display. Digital display. Okay, so these are the examples for digital display. So this digital display, how it will operate. Okay, so now we will see the operation of digital display by using this concept BCD to 7 segment display, because here we are using 7 inputs. Okay, if you write the complete 8 notation, see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is the 7 displays. That's why it is called BCD 7 segment display. Okay, so it is called 7 segment display. This is the example of digital display. Okay, so this is used for BCD. Why I am calling BCD? BCD means it is a alphabetical order, I think. So A B C D E F G, like. So we are given in place of A, one is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So these are the outputs actually. So that's why outputs are termed as 7 segments, and BCD is nothing but 3 inputs. For operating of these 7 outputs by using these 3 inputs, that 3 inputs are ABC. Okay, and it is called as ABCD, means it is completely in alphabetic nature. So that's why it is called as BCD to 7 segment display. Okay, so for example, this type of decoder consists of 7 LEDs. This type of decoder consists of consists of 7 LEDs, 7 LED segments. Okay, so these are as shown in figure, and I'll show in figure. The display number of 0 to 9. So see, actually in 7 segment display we can use the digital what we call that segments. Actually the display numbers numbers are numericals, whatever it may be. Numbers are numericals is starts from 0 to 9. Okay, so that is look like see. So this is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so finally 9. So this is 9. Okay, this is 9. So like the display number starts from 0 to 9, and these 9 numbers are operating by using BCD 7 segment display decoder. So please note everybody, I'll draw the block diagram of BCD 7 segment display decoders. So please note everybody. Okay, generally 7 segments display is nothing but so example. If you see this example, in this example I clearly mentioned, okay, in this example this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So that's why it is called 7 segment display. So 7-segment display are used to give the visual identification of outputs of digital ICs such as counters, register, etc. So counters, registers, these are all are digital ICs only. In these type of digital ICs are maximum used for this 7-segment display decoders. Okay, this type of decoder consists of 7 LED lights. These are LEDs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These both are LEDs only. Okay, and we can operate by using this 7-segment up to the numerical values 0 to 9. So that is look like. Okay, so that numbers are look like in this figure. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So up to 0 to 9 only we can calculate by using this 7-segment display, because it starts from 0 and ends for 9. Okay, so after 10 value is not possible in this display. It is used for 2 display system or 3 display system, 4 display system, whatever it may be, but display system is separate, different, but 7-segment is common. So this is the 1 7-segment display, this is 1 7-segment, this is 1 7-segment, this is 1 7-segment, this is 1 7-segment. So each number is represented by a 7-segment display. Okay, so here we are using 9 displays, 9 numerical numbers. That means we are using total 9 LED 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 7-segment. So we are using LEDs, but these are LEDs are 7-segment LEDs. Okay, so that is the value. Understand everybody? So these are the key points of BCD to 7-segment display decoders. Generally, in your watches you can observe, if anyone having digital watch or digital calendar. Okay, so those type of digital calendars, digital watches, you can observe this, or otherwise calculators. In calculators also we observe that each display, in calculators also you have 9 display segments. Okay, so each bit, that is nothing but each display consists of 7 LED segments. Okay, so that's why this is the actually advanced stage LCDs, because 7 segments displays are usually nowadays only. Okay, so these are all 7 type segments only. So I'll move to next page. Please note everybody. Okay, so I'll move to next page. See block diagram. Block diagram of BCD to 7-segment display decoder. Okay, so we are right now we are discussing about block diagram of BCD to 7-segment display decoder. Okay, so in BCD to 7-segment display decoder, so this is the block diagram, actual block diagram I draw here. So here we are using 4, actually these are the 4 input and 4 input data given BCD as a 4. So this is a first terminal, second terminal, third terminal and fourth terminal. Okay, and they are collecting 7 inputs, 1, sorry, 7 outputs, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, these are the 7 outputs, and we have a logic circuit like so. This is nothing but display. Okay, these are actually, this is called BCD to 7 segment, 7 segment decoder. Okay, so here our outputs are A, B, C, D, E, F, Z, and you are given 3 inputs, that is called A, B, C, D. Capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D. So these are nothing but BCDs. Okay, so this is called BCD number. Generally BCD number, BCD number is nothing but is number is a one important BCD. BCD is completely operating. It already you are learned BCD in who are the studying in computer science stream. కంప్యూటర్ సైన్స్ స్ట్రీమ్ వాళ్ళకి ఇది ఆల్రెడీ తెలుస్తుందండి. బీసీడీ అనేది ఒక నెంబర్, ఆ బీసీడీ నుంచి కన్వర్షన్ అనమాట. బీసీడీ టు కన్వర్ట్ టు బైనరీ, డిజిటల్ ఆర్ డెసిమల్ నెంబర్ కన్వర్ట్ చేయొచ్చు, బైనరీ నెంబర్ కన్వర్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో బీసీడీ అనేది కూడా ఒక టైప్ ఆఫ్ నెంబర్. So right now I'm not able to explain this concept because it is very lengthy concept. So right now so simply you just learn the length BCD to 7 segment. But here BCD means we have 4 inputs actually. Okay, so these are BCD inputs. This is called BCD inputs. Okay, so that's why little bit by hearting this theory, because actually this content is in our syllabus. అంటే దీనికి కావాల్సిన బేసిక్ అనేది మన సిలబస్లో లేదండి. ఓకేనా, డైరెక్ట్గా హై లెవెల్ ఇచ్చేసాడు. కాకపోతే మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే కొంత స్టడీ అనేది, అంటే కొంత మనకి చదువుకోవాలి, ఇందులో బై హార్ట్ చేయాల్సిన పరిస్థితి వస్తుంది దీంట్లో. ఓకేనా, మిగతా వాటిలా కాదు, కొంచెం బై హార్ట్ చేయాలి వీటికి. అందువల్ల ఇది కొంచెం ఎక్కడెక్కడ బై హార్ట్ చేయాలో అక్కడక్కడ బై హార్ట్ చేసుకోండి. Okay, so actually this is the block diagram of BCD to 7 segments. So BCD inputs are nothing but ABCD here, and these are nothing but outputs. Okay, outputs. So what is this? This is nothing but digital display. So digital display is right now, it is also one BCD segment only. Due to this operation of the inputs, you will get selecting these 4 inputs are selecting any one of the data, remaining all are operation. For suppose if you operate only first display, this is a display A, B, C, D, E, F, Z. So these are the displays. So if you operate A only, then only A will be highlighted, activated, remaining all are off condition, switch off condition. If you activate B only, then only B will be displayed, so remaining all are switch off, only B is switch on. So if you operate output C, if you get output C, then only C will be displayed, remaining D, E, F, G, B, A, both all are off condition, only C is on condition. If you get D is input, then D is activating, remaining deactivated. If you get F value, these input selected F, then only F will be activated, remaining all deactivated. If these inputs are selecting G, then G output, then only G will be appeared, remaining all are off condition. So that is the operation. Okay, generally. Okay, so actually if you simply tells if you draw the truth table of this diagram, operation of truth table you can understand very easily. What is the procedure to what is the procedure and how to get output from using these four inputs. So you can clearly understand by seeing the truth table. Okay, so this is logic symbol, actually a block diagram of seven segment display decoder. So please note everybody. I'll explain in truth table. In that truth table you can identify easily. Okay, right. Generally you have to one important node point, you mentioned that node point. So this node point is BCD 7 segment display are maximum inputs are 4. Okay, and you will get outputs are 7 outputs are 7. Okay, 7 outputs. So you have given 3 inputs, 4 inputs, and you will get 7 outputs device. Okay, so every time BCD inputs are selecting, if you consider this display is a number. Okay, for suppose if you consider for number purpose, if you want to one number, then only one is appeared BC will be activated, remaining deactivated. If you want to second line 2, then A B G E D will be activated, remaining are switch off. Okay, deactivated. If you want 3, so 3 means A B C, D, G will be activated, E, F deactivated. If you want 4, so like that. So every time using the number, this number is appeared in output. Okay, so that output is like a number. So according to this number, this display will be activated, deactivated. Okay, so you can clear, everyone clear? సో యూ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ వెరీ ఈజీలీ బై యూజింగ్ ట్రూత్ టేబుల్ ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ ద్వారా మీకు చాలా క్లియర్గా అర్థమవుతుంది. మనం ఒకటి పెట్టాము అంటే దాన్ని డెఫినెట్లీ మీకు ఒకటి కావాలంటే డెఫినెట్గా ఏమవ్వాలి, యువర్ ఇన్పుట్ ఏ అనేది ఒకటి అవ్వాలి. ఒకటి అయితే బిసి మాత్రం యాక్టివేట్ అవుతాయి, సో రిమైనింగ్ అన్ని డియాక్టివేట్ అయిపోతాయి. అది ప్రాసెస్ అనమాట. ఓకే, సో ప్లీజ్ నోట్ ఎవ్రీబడి. ఐ విల్ మూవ్ టు నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్ ఫర్ ట్రూత్ టేబుల్. So right, next truth table. Truth table. So for that purpose, we are considered 7 outputs and 4 inputs. Okay, so this is very lengthy diagram. Don't get it confused, please. Two, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are for actually Okay, see, this is nothing but digital display, decimal to digital display, decimal, decimal to digital, digital display. Okay, digital to display, decimal to digital display, and these are the inputs and these are the outputs. Okay, inputs are capital A, capital B, C, D, and your outputs are small a, small b, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, simply arrange all these things, remaining things. Okay, so this is actually your so we have total 9 possibilities, so that's why, because this is the display starts from 10, total 10, 0 to 9. Okay, so therefore you have to draw 10 lines. One, one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one is 10. This is the 10th one. Okay, so this is the 10th one. So these are the total. See, I'll write using blue color for all these things. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you want 0 display in display, so I'll write here display also. So I'll use, every time I'll use example. So here I draw this block. So what is your inputs? Inputs are given, it's a combination of 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So here actually 4 output, 4 inputs, 4 inputs. So 3 inputs trick is not valid here. So 4 inputs you have to by heart simply. So actually in 4 inputs the trick is simply take complete up to, these are actually not 8 display system. If you 4 means in decoder multiplexers whatever it may be, in previous class you are studying multiplexer. Okay, in the same side demultiplexer. Okay, in that you are using only three outputs. Okay, in the 3 output system I use one trick. That trick is nothing but 4 zeros, 4 ones. Okay, like that. But in case of but in case of four displays. Okay, so in case of 4 system, 4 inputs, how you will write? Actually in 4 inputs it's completely, I'll write here. So this is actually 7 possibilities. This is a 10 digital displays. Okay, generally if you are using 4 means how many digital possibles are you will get? So 4 means 16 digitals will be there. Okay, so this is the actually 4 means 16 digital binary systems you are available. But here I am not using 16 digitals, only I am using 9 digitals only. Okay, so if you are getting 3 means you will get 8, 4 inputs means you will get 16. Okay, if you are using 3 inputs, then you will get 8 possibilities. If you are get 2 inputs, you will get 4 possibilities. If you give 3 inputs, you will get 8 possibilities. If you are given 4 inputs, then you will get 16 digital displays. Okay, so actually in 16 digital displays, in the first case you will give actual this is also one short trick is there. I'll tell you short trick. First of all, I'll write all the inputs decimals. After then I'll tell you shortcut. Okay, so you can understand or not. So simply, if you are given 2 inputs means you will get 4 combinations. Okay, that is called digital combinations, 0 1 combinations. If you are given 3 inputs, means you will get 8 digital combinations. If you are given 4 inputs, means you will get 16 digital displays. Okay, and 16 possibilities, 16 ways to change the digital displays, 0 0 1, so 1 0 1, like 16 times you can change this configuration. That is called available digital display system. So right now I use simply I'll write all these things. See, 0 0 0 0, okay, and loss 0 0 0 1 and 0 0 1 0, 0 0 1 1, 0 1 0 0, 0 1 0 1, 0 1 1 0, 0 1 1 1, 1 0 0 0, 1 0 0 1 actually. Okay, so actually we are using 16 digital 16 ways to arrange this binary data. Okay, arrange this binary data. But what happened here, but we are consider only 10 values up to, in out of 16 inputs we are consider only 10. So 10 display system, 10 binary digits only used in BCD 7 segment. Okay, so the only this type of operation is performed only 10 inputs only. Okay, so 10 possibilities only. General గా మనకి 4 ఇన్పుట్లు యూస్ చేస్తే 16 పాసిబిలిటీస్ వస్తాయి. Okay, if you are using 4 inputs, means you will get 16 possibilities. But the only one case, ఎప్పుడు బైనరీ డిజిటల్ డిస్ప్లేస్ అనేవి ఓన్లీ బీసీడీలో మాత్రమే 10 తీసుకుంటాం అని చెప్తున్నాను. ఓకే, సో 10 తీసుకుంటాం. సో సింపుల్లీ 10 తీసుకున్నప్పుడు వాట్ ఈస్ ద ట్రిక్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఐడెంటిఫై. సి, ఫస్ట్ 7s 0 పెట్టండి. ఫస్ట్ ఏ ఇన్పుట్, సి ఇన్పుట్ ఏ, ఇన్ ఇన్పుట్ ఏ ఫస్ట్ 7 0 పెట్టండి, లాస్ట్ 2 1s పెట్టండి. సో ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ ఏ I'll arrange these things. Simply I tell you the trick. See, in the first A terminal, so in A terminal, first 7 inputs, 7 digital, 7, simply write 7 digits. First 7 digits put 0 only. Okay, so remaining ones. Okay, and C, come to the B terminal. This is the shortcut how to remember the first 4 and 4 zeros. So first 4 digits take 0 and remaining takes 1. Okay, and again digit 0. So like what I am saying, that simply only A terminal, first 7 digits 0, remaining ones. Okay, again you will take 7 ones actually. Okay, so 7 zeros, 7 ones, like so. B terminal is 4 zeros, 4 ones, again 4 zeros, so up to last. Okay, and the second, and this is A terminal, this is B terminal, and C terminal is simply consider 2 zeros, 2 ones, 2 zeros, 2 ones, 2 0, 2 ones, like. Okay, and D terminal is simply consider 0 1 0 1 0 1, sorry, see, I'll do mistake. 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, like. Understand everybody? So first A terminal is 7 zeros, 7 ones, like. Then B terminal is 4 zeros, 4 ones, 4 zeros, 4 ones, like. C terminal 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1, like. So D terminal 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. So you can follow this format. You can easily put the values without any mistake. Understand? So use this trick. You can put the following, put the perfect digits here, okay, without any mistakes. So this is the trick. Now simply see the operation. If you are taken A, B, C, D are the inputs. So see here A, B, C, D inputs are represent 0 decimal. Okay, here A terminal I am using color A, B, C, D. So simply take all are 0. So this value is indicates for 1, 0. Okay, so digital display, this is called display. Display is 0. Why? Because decimal to digital display. Okay, so this is the value of decimal value. So we are represent 0 decimal value by using these inputs. So you can easily draw the, this is actually display. In display the 0 means, see actually this is your display, is look like, so this is the digital display. Okay, so this is actually digital display. If you want 0 means this will be eliminated. Okay, ante A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So out of the 7 terminals you can use A, B, C, D, E, F. So up to A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, F. E, F will be activate, and G is deactivated. Understand? So that means you are selecting 0 as your decimal, then you can apply 4 inputs are 0, 0, 0, then A, B, C, D, E, F. These LEDs are, these are all LEDs. These are LED. These LEDs are activate, that means they are glowing. Only G will be deactivated, that means it is not glowing, it is off condition. Understand? So therefore what are the outputs are activating? A is activating, so simply write A is 1. B is activating, simply write B is 1. C is activating, simply write C is 1. D is activated, simply write 1. E is activated, simply write 1. F is activated, simply write 1. And what is the terminal is not deactivated, is not activated? G. So simply write that is 0. Understand? So this is the case. If you same the principle, once again I explain for another input, another decimal. So if you select a decimal 1 right now, you are selecting decimal 1. So this is already over 1. So 1 means in your digital display, see this is your digital display. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is called A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So out of G you have only, see, you want only 1. So 1 means these are the 1. Okay, I use the colors here. So therefore B and C LEDs are activated. Okay, and remaining, see remaining A comma D comma E comma F comma Z, so they are deactivated. So simply deactivated are put 0 and activated puts 1. Okay, so this is active condition and this is deactive condition. So which terminals are deactivated for 1 decimal is simply write BC is B, first write activated only BC is activated, BC is activated, and remaining all are deactivated. Simply put zeros for deactivating condition. Like if you want 2, so in this circuit I'll explain. 2 means, see blue color I used for 2 glowing purpose. So this will be glow, this will be glow, and this will be glow, and this will be glow, and this will be glow. So this is 2. Okay, so only blue color. What are the blue color appeared? That blue color will be appeared as bright, remaining all are dull. Okay, so this is nothing but display 2. So A, B, G, E, D will be activated, F, C is deactivated. So simply here only majority, see majority of deactivated and majority of activated. So majority of activateds are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terminals. So first of all, after you will write majority activateds, what is the deactivated condition? Only here FC is deactivated. F0 deactivating condition. F is 0. Okay. And similarly deactivated C is also deactivated 0. Remaining put all are ones only because all are activated. So simply if you selected 3 terminal, what will be happen? If you see in 3 terminal, so I am using another color for 3 terminal. So this is 1 activated, this is 2 activated, this is 3 activated, this is 3 activated, this is activated. So in this condition, yellow will be appeared bright. So remaining are dull. So here A, B, G, C, D are activating. F, E are deactivating. So simply deactivated are F. F is put 0 and C. E is put 0. So remaining all are high. Okay, simply you will write all the displays like only. Okay, so I am using another red color for 4. So what is the 4? 4 is nothing but this is activated, this is activated, this is activated. Okay, after that this is activated. This is called 4. Okay, so ante ikkada F is activated, G is activated, B is activated, CX activated. Only not activated in which terminal is not activated? So simply A is not activated, E is not activated, and D is not activated. So first A is not activated, put 0. Okay, put 0. And similarly E is not activated, so put 0. Similarly D is not activated, put 0. Okay, so D, E, A is not activated, remaining all are activated. So 1, 1, 1, 1. Simply understand everybody? Okay, simply you will consider another color. I am using once again white color for glowing next 5. So 5 means this is 5 actually, and this is 5 glowing. So this is glowing, this is glowing. Oh sorry, it was not glowing. So once again I erase these things for 5. So these are the display. Okay, so this is the actual display. If you want, if you select 5 as a decimal, so if you want 5 number in this display, so 5 number means I am using red color. See, so this is activated, pink color, this is activated, this is activated, this is activated, and this is activated. So this is number, pink color shows 5. Okay, so that means these are A, B, C, D, E, F, Z terminal. So what terminals activated? A, F, G, C, D are activated. So remaining deactivated condition is B, E. So B, B and E will be deactivated. Remaining all are activated. So simply put, activated as high, deactivated is 0. That's all. So if you apply 0, 1, 1, 0 for inputs, okay, so that input, that decimal is selecting for 6. Simply I tell you how these inputs also came. Okay, I'll tell you, don't worry. How you will write these inputs. I use only shortcut to write these inputs, but simply don't use shortcuts. I'll tell you, this is a decimal number. You will convert a decimal into binary. Using decimal to binary system also you can write these inputs, don't worry. Okay, so remaining, if you want 6, 6 is nothing but this is actually 6. 6 means this is also deactivated. 6 is nothing but C, this is a 6 number. So only deactivated is B. Okay, so remaining all are activated. Understand? So if you want 7, so once again I erase these things. If you want 7, actually this is a display. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, Z. So if you want 7 means using same color. If you want 7 means, see, this is activated, this is activated, this is activated. This is the 7 number. So activation is A, B, C. A is activated, B is activated, sorry. B is activated and C is activated. Remaining all are simply put 0. Okay. So if you want 8, 8 is nothing but almost all are activated. 8 is all are activated. So therefore all are high condition. Okay, and if you want 9, 9 is nothing but, see, this is the only, so this is not activated simply. Okay, so actually this is 9. See, pink color represent 9, pink color represent 9. So that is nothing but only A, B, C, D, E, E. Okay, E, F, G. So only is deactivated E, remaining all are activated. So simply for E is 0, put remaining all are 1s. So this is the truth table. Understand everybody? So please message me, everybody understand or not? Please message me, everybody understand, then I can move next page. Please message me, students. Okay. It is a simple only, but don't get it confused, because if you are given whatever the inputs is given, that input is represent for decimal number right now. So using that decimal number, here the LEDs are operating. So if you want to select one LED in the first case, only VCC. If you want 0 means almost G is not activated, remaining all are activated. So like whatever the number you have to selected in the display, that session is only activated, remaining is deactivated. The dull mode, switch off condition. So this LED is a switch off, means it is not glowing. So which LEDs are glowing in that display, that display glowing LEDs are represented high 1, and dull off condition LEDs are represented as 0. So this is the theory. Okay, so simply I'll explain some more one concept here. See, I'll erase all these things, it's not important, actually understanding purpose I'll write here. See, simply how you select this output. For suppose, see, if you consider 2, okay, so if you consider 2, so 2 is nothing but decimal number. You want to convert this decimal number into binary number. So how you will convert decimal number is binary. So binary means 2 power something. Okay, so 2 power something, like, so if you simply write divided by 2. Okay, so 2 is divided by 2, 2 ones are 2, so remainder is 0. Okay, so until then there is no multiplication process. Okay, so therefore your value is only 1 0. Okay, so binary 2 is decimal and 1 0 is its binary. Okay, so before, but here we are using 4 inputs. Okay, 4 inputs. So that's why before, these are the last digits actually. Okay, so every number, this is a two digit number, actually this is a single digit, so that's why you will get the binary digits are 2. Understand, this is a single digit, that's why if you are divided by 2, you will get 2 ones are 2. Okay, so remainder is 0, simply 1 0 completely drop. Okay, so actually this is a decimal 2, binary is 1 0, but here we are using 4 inputs, so that's why in before you will write 2 zeros. So this is called the value, two value. For suppose simply example 3, so if you consider 3 value, so simply take this is the decimal, to convert binary, so divided by 2. Two twos are 2 ones are 2, first, right? Okay, so 2 ones are 2, so this is nothing but 1 is remainder. So 3 minus 2 1. Okay, 1 is remainder. So right now 2 ones are 2, so simply this is 0. Okay, remainder is 0. So therefore by dividing process, 2 ones are 2, so simply write, because 3 is more than 2 twos are 4, it is more than 3, so that's why use 2 twos are 2 ones are 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2 means simply write 2 here, remainder 1, and 2 ones are 2. This is what So sir, actually, sorry, I do mistake here. So what is the third value? This is a decimal value. So simply by convert it to two ones are two. Actually, two ones are two. Okay, and remainder is one. Okay, simply after that there is no deviation. So this is last two digits are 1 1. Okay, so this is actually binary format, and this is the decimal format, decimal binary format. Okay, so but here we are using 4 inputs, means we will give front two zeros. See, 3 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. If you consider 6, right now I'll do for 6. Okay, simply 6, you will take the sixth input 6. So simply divided, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. So remainder is 2 3s are 6. So remainder 0. Understand, 2 3s are 6 means it is exactly divisible. 2 3s are 6 means it's exactly divisible. So there is remainder 0, and 2 1s are 2. Okay. So 3 minus 2 1. So remainder is 1. So simply your answer is 1 1 0. So this is a binary digit. So digit always represents in this direction. So arrow mark. So digit, binary digits represent in this direction, 1 1 0. So there are already 3 inputs are came, but we are consider 4 inputs. Such way front you have to put 0. See, 0 1 1 0. So understand how you will write all these things. Okay, simply one more example I tell you, 8 for 8. Okay, so for 8, convert 8 into decimal. So this is a decimal number, and convert this is into binary. Convert into this is binary. So simply 2 times 2, every number is divisible by 2 only, that is called binary. 2 4s are 8. So remainder 0, because after that there is no remainder. So 2 4s are 8, exact divisible. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, exact divisible 0. So 2 1s are 2. Okay, exact divisible 0. So you will get 1 0 0 0. This is already 4. Okay, 1 0 0. 2 4s are 2 8s are 4 1. So something will be missing. Oh, so okay, understand. See, this is 1 0 0 0. Eighth input is okay, 1 0 0 0. So this is the eighth binary digit. So ABCDs are nothing but decimal to binary inputs. Actually, decimal to binary inputs. So here we are taking decimal number. So that means your decimal is represented this number. So thank you very much. So tomorrow I'll explain remaining things. Thank you.